Hi guys, I'm back with another gel polish mani. So I do have some full coverage nail tips, and I'm going to apply Mia's Secret extra bond to all 5 nails. This acts as a double-sided sticky tape that gives the gel polish something to adhere to. And I was just seeing, I saw someone else do this. They took their primer and they put it on the inside of the tip to kind of etch those numbers that gives you the nail size. It didn't work. Maybe it's not the right thing that I'm using, but that didn't work. I might as well have taken a file and filed that number off. And so I'm going in with Born Pretty's Jelly Nude. I think that was 49. It's like a grayish black jelly nude color, and I'm applying 2 thin layers to the nail, and I will cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds in between each nail. And so I am an affiliate of Born Pretty, so if you make a purchase on their website, I do have a discount code that I will link in the description box or list in the description box below. They also have an Amazon storefront that where you can get their items quicker via Amazon. However, the discount code only applies to their website and not Amazon. And of course, this is another jelly set, and so that's trending right now. So we're gonna do some more jelly nails. And so I have a stamping plate here from Moira, M-O-Y-R-A, and this is nail art stamping plate 131. It's titled Skins. It has a bunch of different animal prints on there that you can use. And so I'm going to use, I believe it was like the leopard or cheetah print from the stamping plate. And so I'm gonna stamp 2 nails, I think in total, well, 2 nails with the animal print on 2 nails, the full nail, and then on the thumbnail I'm going to apply it to half the nail, and then I'm going to go in with the paw print and the heart and stamp that on the nail as well. So just hang out with me while I do this nail stamping. And so here are the nails after the nail stamping. I thought they were really cute. The black paired well with this, and I do have these are black diamond rhinestones that I got off of Amazon, and so I already have them picked out, and I'm going in with Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue, and I'm applying that to the thumbnail, and because I want to kind of cover up that harsh line where the nail stamping starts. You can apply rhinestones, you can do some foil on that area, you could do some nail striping tape, whatever you want to do, or you can leave it as is. The choice is yours. And of course, I forgot to mention that the 6-in-1 nail glue does require curing in a LED lamp. And I did apply a single rhinestone to the tip of the middle nail and the pinky nail. And so I'm going in with Born Pretty Super Top Coat. I think I need a new one because this one's kind of ooey gooey. It's a little thick and a tad bit stringy, so I think I need a new one. And so I'm applying a layer to all nails, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And so in this video, just like with the previous one, I will not be applying these nails at the moment, because I think this particular day I did 3 videos and I didn't want to keep popping the nails on and then popping them off for the purposes of the video. And so when I do put these on, I will upload a picture or a video in as a YouTube short, just so you can see how these nails look once they have been applied. And you can do this on your regular nails if you want to. You don't have to have false nails in order to do this, but it's a look that you can wear over and over again if you use sticky tabs. And so guys, coming up is the finished look. I have the nails on like a little glass palette there. Thought they were really cute and simple. So please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.